Have you already changed the oil in your Tesla? At first it sounds like a bad joke, but it's actually essential to ensure the vehicle's lifespan. And what that looks like, we're going to take a look at now. Here you can see what's called a drive unit from the Tesla Model 3. With the dual motor, of course, there are two of them. And even though we have an electric motor, the power is transmitted to the wheels via a reduction gearbox and a differential. And this needs to be lubricated. For this, Tesla has provided a filtration system to keep the oil quality at a certain level. We recommend changing the filter and oil every 2 years. All you need to do is remove the electronic oil pump, the filter and the inlet screw. For the oil change, we have created our filter kit, which contains all the components needed for the service work. From the correct filter quality to additional mounting materials, sealing rings, screws and the inlet screw. And of course the optimal amount of oil, everything you need.